Close your eyes for a second. Imagine yourself 5 years from now. Still the same habits. Still the same excuses. Still the same regrets. How does that feel? Wake up. That future is coming fast unless you change today. This isn't just another motivational video, this is your intervention. And if you're ready to finally become the person you know you can be, right now, at this very moment, there are two versions of you fighting for control. There's the person you've settled for, and the person you were meant to become. And every single day, with every choice you make, you're deciding which one wins. The truth, you're exhausted. Not from working too hard, but from pretending you're okay with a life that's less than you deserve. That ends today. Because what I'm about to share with you will tear down every excuse, shatter every limitation, and show you exactly how to become the strongest version of yourself. The hard truth about change. Let me tell you why most people never change. They wait for perfect conditions that never come. They wait until they feel ready, but here's the secret nobody tells you: you will never feel ready. The motivation you're waiting for. It comes after you start, not before. Real change happens when you're sick of your own excuses. When the pain of staying the same becomes greater than the fear of changing. That moment when you look in the mirror and finally say, enough. I deserve more than this. That's when everything shifts. I know this because I've been where you are right now. Stuck in my own head, making the same mistakes, telling myself tomorrow would be different. But tomorrow never came, until I learned these life-changing truths. The transformation path. This is how you rebuild yourself from the ground up. First, you must destroy the old identity that's been holding you back. That voice that says, you can't, or you're not good enough. That's not you, that's fear wearing a mask. Tear it off. Then, you commit to the daily grind. Not when it's easy, not when you feel like it, especially when you don't feel like it. This is where real strength is built, in those moments when every fiber of your being wants to quit, but you keep going anyway. Surround yourself with people who challenge you to grow. The environment you're in right now is either lifting you up or dragging you down. There is no neutral. If your circle isn't pushing you to be better, you're in the wrong circle. Most importantly, you must fall in love with the process. The early mornings. The hard work. The temporary discomfort. Because this is where champions are made, in the space between where you are and where you want to be. The mindset shift. Here's what changes everything. You must stop seeing yourself as someone who needs to improve, and start seeing yourself as someone who is improving. Every small win. Every step forward. These aren't accidents, they're proof of who you're becoming. There will be days when you stumble. Days when the old habits try to pull you back. This isn't failure, this is part of the journey. The only true failure is giving up on yourself. Your time is now, so here's what happens next. Today, right now, you're going to make one decision that your future self will thank you for. One small step that proves to yourself that change is possible. Write it down. Say it out loud. Claim it as yours. And when that voice of doubt tries to stop you, you look it dead in the eye and say, not this time. This time, I win. A year from now, you'll look back at this moment as the day everything changed. The day you stopped waiting for permission to be great and simply decided to become it. Brother, your future is waiting. Go claim it. Comment, I'm ready, let's do this together.